We all love bananas, right? I mean, they are sweet, attractive, and delicious. Statistics has it that we consume more than 100 billion bananas worldwide per year. After eating all these delicious fruits, there is something that we throw or toss away, and that is the banana peel. But did you know that this banana peel is rich in nutrients that have been found to be very effective to the broiler chicken? The banana leaf peelings contain a crude protein of more than 10%. It also contains a crude fiber of 12%, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and most importantly, it contains bioactive compounds that are very beneficial when supplemented to the chicken. Stick with me through this video because I'm not only going to tell you about the benefits of supplementing your broilers with these banana peels, but also how to prepare them and the amount to add in the broiler chicken. And you want to listen to the amount because if you exceed the amount that you're going to add into the chicken feed, then this is going to affect the productivity. But before we get into this video, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification so that every time that I post another educative video, YouTube will alert you. Also, make sure to hit that like button and also the share button because they help this video to be shown to more farmers so that they can be able to get this important information. You can also tell us where you are watching us from and leave your suggestions and questions in the comment section below. Let us first get into the benefit of supplementing your chickens with the banana peels. And number one is that they help to boost the weight gain. Broiler chicken that were supplemented with the banana peel powder were found to have higher weight compared to the broilers that were not fed this supplement. And this is because, as I have mentioned, this supplement is rich in nutrients, and furthermore, it contains bioactive compounds that help to boost feed digestibility, leading to more nutrients being available to be utilized in the weight gain in this broiler chicken. The second important benefit is that supplementing your birds with this supplement helps to boost the carcass weight and the dressing percentage. The carcass weight and dressing percentage are terms that are used to describe the amount of meat that is edible or that is eaten after the inedible parts of the slaughtered broiler chicken, like the feathers, are removed. It was also recorded that broilers that were fed with the banana peel powder had high amount or weight of meat that is edible after slaughter, and this means that the farmer is able to get more returns of profits after selling his or her mature broilers to the consumers or the customers. The third important benefit of this supplement is that it improves the gut morphology. When I say gut morphology, I mean that the banana peel powder was able to modify some parts of the digestive system, especially the small intestines, which became larger or they became longer. And this is because of the fiber content in the banana peels. When the small intestines of broilers become longer, it means that there will be more space for the feed to be digested appropriately and the nutrients to be absorbed efficiently. And as more nutrients are absorbed, this will always reflect in the growth of the broilers as weight gain. The fourth important benefit is that the banana peels improve the feed conversion efficiency. The increase in the ability to convert the feed that is eaten by the broilers into weight is greatly influenced also by the gut modification. An improved feed conversion efficiency also helps the broilers to grow and put on weight faster, that is, in a short period of time. This improved feed conversion efficiency in the broilers supplemented with the banana peels could also be because the supplement contains bioactive compounds that also help to boost the digestibility, leading to more feed being converted into nutrients that help in more weight gain. The other important benefit of this supplement is that it increases the weight of specific organs in the body of the chicken. In a research that was comparing the effects of this supplement to the normal feed, it was identified that the broilers fed with the banana peels had a heavier liver, which is an indication of better health, immunity, and digestion. Also, these broilers, that is those that were supplemented with these banana peels, had an increased weight of the spleen, which is an immune organ responsible for secreting or releasing immune cells. And this is an indication that the banana peel powder have an immune stimulating bioactive compounds. The other important benefit is that it also increases the profits, and this is because having better or improved body and carcass weight, it is more profitable to raise broilers supplemented with these banana peels compared to the broilers that are not supplemented with it. I mean, because if the broilers have more weight, this means that during or when you are selling them, you are going to get more returns. Now that we have looked at the benefits of supplementing your chickens with the banana peels, how do you prepare them? And in what form do you add into the feed of the chicken? So you are going to get the banana peels, then you are going to chop them into small pieces. After chopping them into small pieces, then you are going to dry them under the sun. After they are properly dried, then now you can grind them into powder form, and the dosage that you are going to add into the broiler chicken's diet, you're going to add 30 grams of this banana peel powder into each kilogram of the broiler chicken feed. And this supplement is going to be given to the broilers after they hit the 3-week stage. And this is because at 3 weeks, their digestive system is developed to be able to handle, the fiber and also especially the fiber that is contained in these banana peels, and which now we see is going to modify the gut or the digestive system, especially the small intestines, which leads to more absorption of the nutrients. As you make this very easy to find supplement to your chickens, I also recommend that you hit the video that is on your screen right now, so that also you can know how to use the banana leaf meal and the banana leaf juice extract in your chickens.